Once upon a time in a faraway kingdom, there lived a hardworking and diligent young man. He was known throughout the land for his dedication and perseverance. But despite his best efforts, he was always overlooked for promotions at work and never got the recognition he deserved. One day, the king announced a competition. He said, "I want all of you to bring me a bucket of water from the well outside the city. The first person to come back with a bucket of water will be rewarded with the hand of my daughter in marriage and the keys to the kingdom." Now, everyone thought this was an easy task, and hundreds of men lined up to participate in the competition. Our young man was also very eager to win the competition and asked the king for a bucket. But the king, who had a wicked sense of humor, handed him a broken, rusty bucket with a big hole in it. Overhearing this, our protagonist wasn't disheartened. He took the bucket and went out of the city to fetch water. As soon as he left, everyone started laughing at him, making fun of his rusty bucket and certain that he would never be able to complete the task. But our young man didn't let their jeers get to him. Instead, he walked past the other competitors who were returning with their buckets, one by one, until he reached the well. Taking a deep breath, he looked up at the sky and started to pray. And lo and behold, an eagle happened to fly past. He quickly made a wish, asking the eagle to carry him up to its nest so that he could retrieve some of its downy feathers to plug the hole in his bucket. The eagle, touched by his wish, agreed and flew him up to its nest. There he collected as many feathers as he needed, enough to fill a sack, and then returned to the well. Using the feathers to plug the hole, he looked around for something to make a new handle for his bucket. Spotting a sturdy vine nearby, he pulled it off and made a handle for himself. By the time he was done, all the other competitors had returned empty-handed, having failed to bring back any water due to their broken buckets. But he still had a full bucket of water. Excited, he rushed back to the city, surprised to find that even the king was waiting for him at the entrance. He presented the bucket to the king, who couldn't believe his eyes. "You have one," he exclaimed, handing him the keys to the kingdom and allowing him to marry his daughter. Everyone was shocked, and the king's wicked smile slowly faded away. He had never expected anyone to return with a full bucket of water, let alone with a brand new handle. Our young man, once disregarded and underestimated, was now the talk of the town, being praised and respected by everyone. His diligence and quick thinking had paid off, and he had proven to the world that one can rise from the ashes if they have the will to try again. Now, some people say that life is just like that competition. You might have a broken past or a difficult present, but if you keep going, you will eventually succeed. That is why this story teaches us not to give up in the face of adversity and to keep trying no matter how difficult things may seem. Because just like our protagonist, we too can rise from the ashes and achieve our dreams if we have the determination and courage to do so. So what about you? Have you ever faced challenges in your life that seemed impossible to overcome? Share your story in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to keep going. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.